Michelle, when you bring a case to court, as you know, you have to prove it, and it's your obligation to prove it. He doesn't have to prove anything, and you have to prove it so that I'm more sure than not. In your case, you had a very difficult burden because you had to prove that he was a professional seller to some extent. Also, you had to prove that he knew that there was a problem with that vehicle, and what's more, that you performed sufficient checks on that vehicle as well. Now, I'm satisfied, based upon how he presents and the description of his business, that he's not a professional anything. What's more, I'm more satisfied, not by him, but by the evidence that's provided by his girlfriend, that they're not professional sellers. And after all, the negotiation you entered into, in fact, wasn't with him, but was with her. So that makes me also confident that on the face of it, the negotiation that you had and the commercial deal, such as it was, took place between you and her. The vehicle was £400. That should have given you clear indication that you needed to pay real care about buying it. You had in your own family somebody with specialist expertise that could have assisted you. What's more, you could have taken the car for a test drive at the time they were there and insisted upon it, which would have given you at least some indication that the car was unroadworthy. Because you didn't do any of those things, the difficulty you have, for the reasons I've given, is that you're unable to prove your case to the sufficient legal standard, and therefore your case has to be dismissed.